Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will learn how to use average and average if function in Excel. Okay, so here I have a table. Okay, this is student name, this is subject, and this is their marks. Okay, now I want to find out average of the marks, whole marks. Okay, so how to, and every student's marks. So how to do it? You have to just click on this column, click on equals to, then you have to type average. Okay, then just select the whole range. Okay, okay, so this will be the average of the whole marks of every student. Okay, now I want to find out only average of specific subjects as a math, average of math subjects number. Okay, so how to do it? You have to use this equals to. Okay, now formula will be average if. Okay, now first it will ask for range. Okay, here you will see it is asking for range, so you have to choose subject and marks both column. Okay, then comma. Now it is asking for criteria. So what is criteria? Criteria is math subject, so you have to just type math, and then average range. Now average range is this mark, so I want to find out the marks are average, so I have to select the average range this. Okay, then bracket close. So this is the average of math subjects mark. So like this you can use average if function and average function in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.